Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to edit PDF files using Foxit Reader. First, open your desired PDF document within the Foxit application. Navigate directly to the Edit tab, which is prominently located on the main toolbar at the top of the window. This crucial tab reveals all the necessary tools for content modification, enabling you to begin making changes to your document immediately and with ease. To modify text, simply click the Edit Text button found under the Edit tab. Then, click on any text box you wish to activate for editing. You can type, delete, or reformat text just like in a standard word processor, choosing from a wide range of fonts and sizes. For images, select the Edit Object tool. You can then click and drag images to reposition them, or use the corner handles to resize them to your desired dimensions. Foxit Reader also allows you to insert new elements into your document seamlessly. To add new text, simply select the Add Text tool and click where you want to place it, then begin typing your content. For images, choose Add Image, browse your computer files, and place the selected picture onto your page. You can also use the Draw tools to add shapes or lines, providing clear annotations or visual emphasis to important sections of your PDF. Once you have completed your edits, it is crucial to save your work immediately. Go to File and then select Save to update the existing document. If you wish to keep the original file untouched, use Save As and give your edited version a new name. Before sharing, take a moment to meticulously review all your changes, ensuring everything looks exactly as intended for a polished, professional result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.